Okay, so this class will deal with these three questions, sorry. There will be no test for this, okay? Let us start with the first one. Question B9. You'll find this on textbook page 253. So open your textbook there. Let me read the question for us. 27 solid spheres, each of the radius R and surface area S are melted to form a sphere with a surface area S dash. Find this and this, okay? So there are some small spheres, one, okay, like this. Let us say the radius, all of same size, R plus, like this, same size. So same radius, again, R, like that. 27 of them are there. They are melted together to form, so you write here, up to 27 spheres of this size. And they form a single big one, like this. Radius of the new one, let us say, is Rn. So we have to find two things. So let's just start here. For each of the 27 small sphere, okay, 27 small sphere, let us say R is equal to radius, given in the question like that. Then for the new sphere, that is the single one that is melted and we got from the 27, for the new sphere, here Rn, let us say, is equal to radius, and here radius is this one, and S equal to surface area, textbook has given, so let's write it down. And here S dash means up, is the surface area of the new sphere. Like this information is given to us. Let's go and answer the first one, number 1. We have to find the radius. In order to do this, let us write here, since, according to the question, look into your text there, 27 solid spheres. So the 27 solid small spheres, okay, okay, are melted. Are melted means heated to change to liquid, melted, to form the new sphere, the single new sphere. Because of this reason, we can write like this or not, therefore, common sense. Volume of the new sphere, single volume, big one, will be equal to the sum of the volumes, okay, sum of the volumes of the 27 small spheres. That is common sense, right? Every one of us can understand this. Volume of this big sphere will be equal to total volume of all these 27 together. Why? Because this one was, bigger one was gotten out by melting all these 27 together, right? So that is common sense. Let us write this here and continuing. So that implies 4 by 3 pi Rn cube, because radius of the new cube is Rn, will be equal to 27 spheres are there, so we write 27 times, and one volume of one small sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube, because small one has radius R. So we know we can cancel this 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, and pi can cancel. So we have here Rn cube. If you remove, then this side will come out cube root. We know this by now, right? So here 27, we can write it as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And here this one, R cube. So we know we can remove from a cube root triplet numbers as single number. R cube means R into R triplet will come out as single. So the radius of the new sphere is 3R. So this is the answer. Okay, second question. Let's go and answer it. Here, the second part of the question is saying, number 2, go and check. Find the ratio of S and S dash. So ratio of S and S dash means, the word ratio means divide S by S dash. So S by S dash. Now if you read the question, we know S is the surface area of the first sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cubed, because r is the radius of the first sphere, and s dash, sorry, here s dash, surface area, sorry, this is volume formula. Surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square, sorry, 4 pi r square. Then the surface area of the second sphere, same formula, 4 pi r square, but the radius is rn, so we write rn cube, rn square, sorry, because surface area is 4 pi r square. So we know we can cancel this 4 pi and 4 pi, right? Then here, just keep this r square as it is. And rn, just now we got as 3r, so let's just put there 3 small r, whole thing, because there are two factors, bracket is a mass, and square. So if we do that, then r square is divided by 3 3s are 9, r to the power 2, r square. Because here the power is 2, that's why 3 3s are 9. These two cancel, means 1 left here, so the required ratio here is 1:9. Okay, so that is the one. Now we've got B10. So here B10. Will be the question for us. A capsule of a medicine is in the shape of a sphere. So a medicine is in this shape of a sphere like this. Roundish, like a ball, small balls, okay? Diameter is 3.5 millimeters. So from here to here is called diameter. So here 3.5 millimeter diameter, each capsule medicine. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule? So here, for the capsule, which is in the shape of a sphere, very clearly mentioned, r, let us say, is equal to diameter divided by 2. You know the formula for radius is like that, so millimeter. Let's do this slowly. Here, 2 1s are 2, 1 in hand, 2 7s are 14, 1 in hand, 2 5. So this will come out as this much millimeter, 1.75 millimeter. Therefore, the answer to our question is, how much medicine in millimeter cube is needed? So volume of, that's what they're asking, volume of medicine or amount of medicine, whatever you like them, right? Amount or volume. In bracket you can mention volume of medicine, means liquid, okay? Medicine liquid is put inside the ball capsule in millimeter cube. They're asking us to give in volume in millimeter cube needed to fill one sphere will be equal to volume of one capsule 4/3 pi r cube. This much liquid can go inside, right? Liquid medicine. So we can just solve this one. 4/3 into 22/7 into r here is 1.75. 1.75 into 1.75. 1.75 millimeter cube. So here 7 1s are 7, 0.7 2s are 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 5s are 35. Now you see, we know this by now, that forget about the decimal for time being. 25 4s are, 25 2 is 50, right? So 25 4 will be 100. So this 200 means 2 decimal place, so 1 2, then it will become 1.00, which means is 1. So you can forget about this and this. Now let us focus, this is your answer now on the numerator. So let us do that. 1.75 multiplied to 1.75. Just a matter of patience and doing properly, okay? 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 35, 37, 8, 7 5s are 35, 7 7 49, 52, 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12, 1 5, 7 and 1, so 5, 12, 16, 1 in hand, 10, 1 in hand, 3, 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4, so 3.0. This is what you'll get when you multiply these two. So multiply that to this one and this 22 finally, then we will be getting, right, 2 5s are 10, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, so 0 5 2 1 and 6, 5 2 6 are 12, 2, yeah, so 0 5 7 3 7 6, so 1 2 3 4 1 2, so here 67.3750 divided by this 3, this much liquid can go inside. So that will be equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 in hand, 3 4s are 12, 1 in hand, 3 5s are 15, 2 in hand, 3 8s are 24. So up to third place is enough decimal. And textbook answer form is given. Third place is 5 or more than 5, then this will increase by 1. 46 millimeter cube, 22.46 millimeter cube, 10. Okay. One more question, and there is no test for this. Okay. That is here, example 18. So let us go and do that. Example 18. You'll find this textbook, page 252. Okay. Good. Well, let me read the question for us. Here, the volume of a sphere of radius 11.2 centimeters. So there's a sphere whose radius from here to here is 11.2 centimeters. So let's write down here for this sphere that is mentioned in your question. R is equal to 11.2 centimeter, the radius. Okay, write it down and then follow. We have to find the volume, so this is a pretty straightforward question. So volume of this sphere, or its volume, you can also say like that in simple terms, its volume, that's what they're asking. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r here is 11.2. 11.2 into 11.2. Volume is 3-dimensional, so centimeter cube. We know by now, we're very comfortable, so we're just doing a little bit faster, okay? Now, it's just a matter of carefully doing it with a little bit of patience, right? So here 7 1s are 7 is going, I think. 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 remainder. So 4 will go in front of the 2, 42, 7, 6 are 42. Nothing else will cancel, I think. So just multiply this. Let us do this. 11.2 multiplied to 11.2. 2 2s are 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, their decimal. Then do this one, let's multiply it. 1.6. 6 4s are 24, 2 in hand, 6 4s are 24, 26, 6 5s are 30, 32, 6 2s are 12, 13 4, 15, 6 1s are 6, plus 1, 7, 4 4, 5, 2 and 1, 4, 10, 7, 10, 10 and 2, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2 and 3. So we're getting 200.704. One more number is there, I think. 4 into 22. Let us do these two together, which is 88. So let us multiply this finally. 8 4s are 32, so we write here 32 because this is 0. 7 8s are 56, so we write here 56. 7 zeros are 0. Oh, sorry. Wait, 8 4s are 32, right. 8 7s are 56. Okay, 8 zeros are 0. 8 2s are 16. Then same number, so 2 3 6 5 0 6 1. Let us try 2 5 9 11 6 6 7 1. 1 2 3, so 1 2 3. So we get here 17661.952 is divided by 3. So here centimeter cube. Let's try this one. Answer is coming out in so 17, if you want to do this, 661.952 is divided by 3. If you want to do, then you can observe here. So here 3 5s are 15, 1 2 in hand, 6 8s are 24, 2 in hand, again 6 8s are 24, again 2 remainder, then 1 will come. 3 7s are 21, no remainder, then point means we put here not down, then 9 again, so 3 3s are 9, right. Then here, once we're through with that, 3 3s are 9. Now here see, 9 is gone, so 5 is still there. After that, we bring on 5, so 3 1s are 3, then 2 remainder, then 2 here, then 3 7s are 21. We can stop there. So our answer is 5887.317 centimeter cube, which is equal to 5887.3, and if third place is 5 or more than 5, this will increase by 1 plus 1, 2 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of this sphere, 5887.32. So that concludes this part. We'll continue in the next class, one more class to complete this exercise 13.8. okay.